Welcome! If you've been finding Facebook Memories notifications a bit overwhelming or just want to stop those memory pop-ups on your Facebook app on PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable Memories notifications on your Facebook page with the new update. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen, then click on it. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to find Settings and Privacy. Click on that, and then select Settings to access your account settings. Next, in the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Notifications. This will bring up all the notification options. Look for the option labeled Memories and click on it. This is where you can manage all the notifications related to memories shared by Facebook. Now, to stop those Memories notifications, simply toggle off the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. This will instantly disable the Memories notifications on your Facebook app. And that's it. By following these steps, you will no longer receive reminders or alerts about past memories on your Facebook page, giving you more control over what kind of notifications appear. If you want to re-enable Memories notifications in the future, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back on. Thanks for watching.